You guys are gonna watch Miss Soto go through the reading steps to answer the questions. Our first step, we are going to be using the planet website from National Geographic. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. This is our What is a Planet webpage. So that is what we're gonna be searching for and using to start with. So here are reading steps that we've been learning about this week. Our first step is to ask a question about the text. So we were given a question this time. It says, what is the temperature like on Mercury? Ask what keywords will help me find the answer. So I know temperature is a pretty good keyword because that is our vocabulary word that we know already, and it's a pretty big word. So I know I can see, oh, the temperature of Mercury is, so Mercury is another keyword that will help us find the answer. So now our step 3 is we're gonna scan the website to look for the text features for our keywords. So let's go to our website. Our What is a Planet website wasn't about Mercury. It was about all of the planets and it didn't give me any specific information about them. So I'm going to go up here and I know that this is a link. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So it takes me to the website that's all about Mercury. So remember, we can look, our other keyword is temperature. So we can look for that. Our average surface temperature is 243 degrees. That doesn't tell me what the temperature was like. It tells me what the temperature is, like an average of. Mercury. I'm seeing a lot of Mercury because it's the page. Mercury is a planet of extremes. Oh, I see temperatures right here. It says by night, so I wonder if there's a by day. So I'm going to read this paragraph. Mercury is a planet of extremes. By day, which is actually lasts roughly 30 Earth days, is one of the solar system's most scorching spots, more than 4 times hotter than boiling water. By night, temperatures plummet hundreds of degrees below freezing. So it has a harsh environment. This hot and cold rock offers perks for the spacefarer. So by day, it is really, really hot, 4 times hotter than boiling water. That would make sense since the average temperature was 243 degrees Fahrenheit. And then by night, the temperatures plummet to hundreds of degrees below freezing. So maybe it's like another 243 degrees below freezing. So it's really, really hot and then really, really cold. So I wonder if that could be one of our answers. Our step 4 is to answer the questions with the information you found. So it says, it's cold all the time. No, because it said it was kind of hot. It's summer all year long. No, it didn't mention summer really. It just said it's really, really hot and really, really cold. During the day, it's boiling hot, and at night, it's below freezing. That sounds about right. I'm going to go ahead and click that one. Now, the next question asks, how did you find the answer? What text features did I use? Where did I find the information? I Googled it. Where it says, I used the keywords temperature and Mars, or I clicked on another link. At first, I looked for the keyword Mars and temperature. Then I had to click on another link, but then, oh, not Mars, Mercury. That's supposed to be Mercury. So I clicked on another link to Mercury, but then I still had to use the keywords temperature and Mars. So I'm going to go with that one, but really it's Mercury. Now it is your turn to practice these steps with text-dependent questions. So remember, you need to go through these steps. So ask the question, ask what keywords can help me, scan the website for text features and for keywords, and then you answer the questions. If you don't know what the question is asking, it says, what is the temperature like on Mercury? Well, if I look at the words here, it's cold all the time. It's summer. During the day, it's boiling hot, and at night, it's below freezing. If I wanted to look for more keywords, I could use all of these answers. I could look for words like cold. I could look for words like summer. I could also look for words like boiling hot. So if we go back to the web page for Mercury, we can look for cold. No, I see hot and cold, but not just cold. Let's look for summer. Nope, this webpage doesn't have summer, so that can't be an option. And it says during the day, so I could look for day. It's boiling hot, so I could look. That's pretty specific. So I can look for boiling. Oh, boiling water. So then I look back and it says by day, it's one of the solar system's most scorching spots, more than 4 times hotter than boiling water. So that could be another way that I find this answer. So I can use information from the question, but I could also use some keywords from our answer choices. Okay, so now it is your turn to practice these steps with the text-dependent questions on the next page.